Hi, I'm Deanna Cooper. I'm the BSW director and the 2+2 director at the School of Social Work at University of Montana. And I'm here to share a little bit of an experience with do-it-yourself research from my years of direct practice when I worked in a jail-based addictions treatment program. We had an opportunity to introduce medication-assisted treatment for folks that were going through our DWI program. And we had to convince our funders and our administrators that this was going to be worth the effort to show some good outcomes. What we found in the process that was a lot of data collection was not kind of identifying or helping us flag trends. So we had to develop our own data collection, and we did this with some help from a do-it-yourself research manual that really helped us to justify some programmatic changes. What we found was introducing medication-assisted treatment to folks where they were given a choice. Those that most readily agreed to it were some of our most severe repeat offenders. And also what we found was that their levels of success, which were measured by not repeating interactions with the criminal justice system and not re-entering the system, what we did was track it through counselor work, case management work, and they were actually showing higher success rates when they voluntarily got on naltrexone for severe alcohol use, and we could introduce it 2 weeks before they got out of treatment. We tracked all that, and it was shown to be much more effective for them, and it was very affirming of some of the very clients that other people were kind of writing off as so chronic they couldn't change behavior. We were able to convince our administrators and our funders that we had developed a really good way of introducing clients voluntarily into a program that could really affect the quality of their life and the safety of the community. So glad I was able to share with you.